stress and uncomfort are very correlated to how successful you're trying to become. Like if you're trying to do amazing things and you're trying to influence a lot of people, then it's pretty natural that the stakes are going to keep going up. The better you get at something, the higher level you get, the more people depend on you, the more stressful it is. I mean, can you imagine? People don't understand because we just watch it on TV, but like LeBron James is the ultimate example. Like LeBron James, you talk about uncomfort. He is going into a stadium every single night with 20,000 people in person looking at his every move. They're watching him. I don't care who else is on that court. They're watching LeBron James. Then you have millions of people watching it on TV. Then you have the playoffs when he's expected to win and his whole team is going to pass him the ball. And if he can score, they're going to win. And if he can't, they're going to lose. That's what LeBron James's life is. And it's at the highest stage, right? And it was multiple levels of stress getting up there. In 6th grade, when he was, sort of a phenom, but he was playing in front of a couple hundred people in Ohio, he wasn't very stressed out. And then by the time he was a freshman in high school and he was getting some national coverage, he started packing gyms and scoring 30 a night in front of high school teams. Like then the stress went up a little bit. He started a business. It started to grow. Then you get on the level of, okay, I'm the best senior. I'm going to go number 1 overall in the NBA draft. I'm going to be the person on the floor as a 18-year-old kid who everybody's looking at. Just keeps getting more and more stressful. So I've kind of accepted that if I'm going to accomplish my goals, uncomfort and stress is going to be a major, major part of that. So if I can't deal with it, I better just back off.